The State Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha conveyed gratitude to the Prime Minister for approving a budget of Rs 20 crore for infrastructure development of the state MBB University under Prime Minister Usha scheme. In today's program, while speaking, the Chief Minister conveyed gratitude to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for initiating various schemes in different fields and departments that the state has benefited immensely. The Chief Minister further said that various new educational institutions will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister virtually.
Investment through the PM Usha will undoubtedly yield myriad benefits for the people of Tripura and to the students. With the execution of this project, more than 600 students of MBB University and 10,000 students of 3 affiliated colleges of MBB University, namely Maharaja Bir Bikram College, Bir Bikram Memorial College and Tripura Government Law College, faculties, research scholars and state higher education systems will also benefit immensely. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's emphasis on holistic education is reflected in the allocation of funds under the PM Usha scheme. Alongside the establishment of 2 academic buildings and in administrative building, provisions are made for boys and girls hostels as well as national level playgrounds, reiterating his commitment to a comprehensive approach to education development. Concepts like zero, sunno and infinity were discovered by ancient sages, while algebra and Pythagoras' theorem were expressed precisely and poetically in Sanskrit. Various other concepts such as Vimana, aerial vehicles, as already we know about it, architectures, the concept of time, the structure of the universe, metallurgy, chemical technologies, medicine, languages, grammar, shastras like Naya, Sangeet, spirituality and yoga have been beautifully articulated in Sanskrit. Under the visionary leadership of our esteemed Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the national education policy has seamlessly integrated the timeless wisdom of our cultural heritage with the demands of the modern world. Through his guidance, we are inspired to embrace our India heritage with pride and vigor, ensuring that our youth are equipped to navigate the complexities of the contemporary landscape while remaining rooted in our timeless tradition. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
On this day at the program, besides Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha, Union Minister Pratima Bhomik was also present. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.